We are FLIT, and this is the FLIT 16, a lightweight folding e-bike. Our journey began 3 years ago when I met my co-founder Alex. We both love the way e-bikes allow people to explore cities in ways they can't by car. To build a folding e-bike that rides as well as it looks, we had to do things a little differently. We developed a custom lithium-ion battery pack and a brand new way of folding. With my background as an automotive engineer, I focused on the bike's geometry to give a comfortable and responsive ride, perfect for city journeys. I worked closely with David to define our award-winning clean and simple design. Joe spent many long hours prototyping parts of the design to test and perfect it. A year ago, we started working with a specialist aluminium frame manufacturer to build rideable prototypes. With our final prototypes in hand, Alex and Gemma began to tell our story, organising hundreds of test rides across the UK.
That feels like riding a sports bike, but it's a folding loose bike. It's beautiful. I really like that.